Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be decorating my entryway for Christmas. This is another episode in my I Love Christmas series. I love to share with y'all how you can make your home's boutique gorgeous on a budget. And I have a very small home, but I have a lovely little entryway here with a table, a beautiful arched mirror from Hobby Lobby, and then two lamps that are offsetting the arched mirror. What I want to do is bring in some little mini trees and probably do a garland maybe over the mirror with some beautiful cascading bows and bulbs. So listen, that's going to be my idea. We'll see how it goes. I'm going to take you guys along with me. If y'all need more crafting and decorating inspiration on a budget, go check out the rest of my I Love Christmas series. I've shared a ton of videos already this year, as well as so many videos over the last 4 years with my journey here on YouTube. Don't forget to join me, subscribe to this YouTube channel, punch the bell and click all. Will update you every single time I post a new video. I also would love to have you follow me over on my Facebook page, on Instagram and TikTok. And without further ado, go ahead and grab your ribbons, some garlands, some creativity, and let's get to decorating.
Okay, so starting out, I'm going to decorate my entryway table. I have these beautiful arched mirrors from Hobby Lobby, and then I also have these cute little lamps from Hobby Lobby, this beautiful table that I'm going to decorate, except for mainly just with the tray. And then I'm going to add these pedestals from Hobby Lobby and these cute little Christmas trees from Walmart. I got them on sale last year. They're the perfect little size. And then these pedestals were like $19 on sale from Hobby Lobby. And so there's how we're going to frame out the space. The next thing I want to do is use these little hook hangers. They're really neat. You just basically push them into your wall and they have like a little hook on them. And then I'm going to take this garland. I got this beautiful garland from Hobby Lobby a couple of years ago, and I decided to do a really beautiful garland over the mirror, and then I'm going to do a big beautiful bow to make it look super fancy. And so I'm going to play some music now, and you guys can watch me decorate as I added more garland, ribbons, and bows.
Garlands and ribbon thread, tinsel bright, but you outshine all like a fresh cut tree. I fall for your light. On this Christmas night, all the angels are singing. On this Christmas night, they are singing for you and me. On this Christmas night, they are singing 'cause love endures.
So the next thing I want to share with you guys is an easy little Christmas hack. You simply take some ornament balls and a pipe cleaner, and you simply string them together with the balls on the pipe cleaner, and then you're going to attach them into the garland, and that is going to give you kind of a fun little Christmas ornament cluster. And you can add those into pretty much any wreath, Christmas garland, or just any little space, your Christmas tree. I shared with you guys how I did these on my Christmas tree, but have fun with it and get creative. Let's play some more music, fun Christmas music, and you guys can watch me decorate some more.
This Christmas is mine and yours. The smell of fresh pine tree. I get down on one knee, ring in hand, and you almost choked on your mulled wine when I ask you to be mine. Then slowly you understand.
Now it's time to add in some ribbon and some bows. This is just some Hobby Lobby ribbon that I had left over from my Christmas tree. So I tucked it into the little garland, and then I'm going to take and make a bow. I'm going to take the ribbon and measure it from my hand to my elbow, and then simply loop the ribbon over on itself. I've shared this bow with you guys a million times. I love it. It's so super duper easy. You just take the ribbon, loop it over on itself. I usually do it 6 times to where there's 3 ribbon loops on each side. You can do it less or more, and you can use wired ribbon or not. I suggest wired ribbon. And then once you guys have that done, you can zip tie it in the center and then simply pull all of your loops out. I notice that when I'm working, I make some funny faces. I look super serious. I guess decorating is pretty serious business, but just know that I actually am having fun. And I'm just going to tuck this in and secure it with some zip ties and then add some ribbon over that. I hope you guys are enjoying this decorating video. It's a little bit different than some of my other videos. I love decorating for Christmas. I'm so excited this year to do a really beautiful kind of glamorous gold and white theme, and trust the process on this one. It's all going to come together. So I added in little Christmas ornament balls, and now I'm getting ready to add in some more pretty ribbon to this beautiful garland. I hope you guys are loving this and are totally inspired to do something of your own. The next thing I wanted to do was take and cut several different pieces of ribbon. So I'm going to use several different just pieces of leftover ribbon, cut them and add them in and kind of swag them, which is something I've never done before.
The Christmas lights fill the city. There are people everywhere. The snow is falling white and pretty as I stroll on my way to you. How would you feel about packing up today? Leave this all behind. Go get snowed in somewhere. You and me.
guys, I added a pretty little bow at the end of the beautiful little ornament cluster. I'm going to just kind of trim up the ribbons here, and I did decorate the trees on either side with just a little bit of a ribbon and some pretty ornaments as well. And then I'm going to give you a quick tour around my kind of entryway living room. Again, I have a small little home. This Christmas sign came from Michael's about 5 years ago. I know had a lot of people ask about it, and I have just a pretty little candle lit that I got at one of the discount stores, and a family picture. And here is how it turned out. I went kind of over the top, fancy, like boom, wow, fabulous. And then here's a little side trees. I added some pretty little ribbon, some drop crystal ornaments, some little Dollar Tree clustered ornaments, and then some other Dollar Tree goodies to this tree. Actually, these are almost all Dollar Tree ornaments on this tree. So mixing in just the white and gold, I put the cute little Dollar Tree snowy owls at the top of these. And bam, we have a beautiful, fabulous little entryway on a budget. And I'm hoping you guys love it. I think that it looks pretty and it makes me happy. It was a little bit fancy and kind of crazy, but I don't know. I like that glam over the top look, and it's Christmas, so I think we can go all out. Let me know what you guys think.
It's December again. I can't believe it. Whatever happened to the rest of the year? It went by so fast, I barely did see it. Now I'm calling all angels high. If you are there, help me find the Christmas spirit again. The Christmas spirit again. That one place in my heart that was there from the start. I want that Christmas spirit again. I find myself wandering downtown, window shopping, listening to the sound from some street choir, caroling through the air, and the smell of the big Christmas tree in the square. Here comes the Christmas spirit again. That Christmas spirit again.
Okay guys, that is going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed me putting together my little entryway, and then here is Benji Bear. I love you guys so much. Come back for another video, and I hope everybody's getting ready for Thanksgiving next week and getting excited to spend time with their friends and family. I love y'all so much. Have a gorgeous, blessed day.